Hi there. My name is Dr. Marissa May. I'm on a mission to help students feel confident in their math classroom. So, this video is just an example of some of the resources that I have available on my channel to help you do that. So, let's take a look at this problem here. We want to find the domain of the function h of x, and we want to express it in an interval notation. So, we only have two rules for domain, and those rules are number one, radicals, that's square roots, have to be greater than or equal to 0. And we don't have a radical in this function, so no worries on that one. The second one is that denominators cannot equal 0. That's the problem we have in this particular function. So what we do to do our domain is we say that our denominator cannot equal 0. I just took the whole denominator, the whole bottom of that fraction, said it can't equal 0. Now let's solve. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. That gives me 4x cannot equal 5. And then I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. So now x cannot equal 5/4. That's my domain. But now I'm being asked to represent it in interval notation. So let me show you how I would do that. I'm going to draw a number line to represent all the values that are in the domain. That's every value except 5/4. So I'm going to shade every value on this number line, again, except 5/4. So how do I write an interval for that? Well, I think we have to write it in two separate intervals, the left side of 5/4 and the right side of 5/4. So on the left side, this shaded section begins at -infinity and it ends at 5/4. Now remember, infinities always get a parentheses, and the 5/4 is not included, so we're going to give it a parentheses as well. Then we'll use a U symbol just to show us the union of these two, meaning we want both parentheses or both intervals together. Now let's write an interval for the right side. So where does this shading section begin? It begins at 5/4 and it ends over here at positive infinity. Now remember, infinities always get a parentheses, and the 5/4 isn't included here, so it too gets a parentheses. Here is my interval notation for the domain that says that x cannot be 5/4. It looks pretty complicated just to leave out the value at 5/4, but this is how we have to do it with interval notation.